Hello soul family, welcome to Trupti's Tarot Predictions. This is weekly predictions from 30th of August to 5th of September. I don't have anything much to say, okay, about anything rather, but yeah, there is some major announcement about my spiritual journey I'll be making in the coming week. So yeah, let's hope for the best, okay, and let's begin with the weekly predictions. As you know the format, I'll be pulling out 3 cards for your energy towards your person, 3 cards for your person's energy towards you, 3 cards for your mutual energy, 3 cards for your general energy, anything, okay, and keep one question in mind. I'll be answering that question at the end of the reading. So let's begin with the weekly predictions. Okay, so this time spirit is asking me to take cards for your person first. So let's begin. Obviously I'll read for you first, but I have to. Okay, what's happening? Fine. Okay, so let's begin with your energy towards your person. Okay, I've got the Empress, Two of Swords, and King of Cups. I'll just show you the cards first. The Empress, Two of Swords, and King of Cups. When you know you have got strength, when you know how much you love them, when you know how much you want this relationship, when you know that this is what is you have been manifesting since a long time, okay, now when it has come to the point wherein they wanted to express love, or they have expressed love, or they have taken the next step or any kind of action, or the universe is giving you the signs, okay, that he is the one for you, okay, then why are you kind of turning back to them or to the universe's signals or to the whole situation itself? It's like I'm telling you, I have been, suppose I have been manifesting something since a long time, okay, now it is in front of me, universe is granting me that, okay, and now I'm thinking, oh, it's been a long time, okay, it's been a long time, and right now I don't want it. I have changed my mind. Either I have changed my mind, okay, or I am not able to accept this thing that something has actually happening with me, okay, or either I'm not ready to accept thing, or either I'm not able to digest it that yes, actually this is happening, or something else has popped up in my life, okay, any other situation, I'm not talking particularly about the relationship, anything, okay, or simply I have become so anxious that I'm not able to open up my heart space for this manifestation, okay, and I'm just turning back, I'm just in confused state of mind that what should I do. I am just in dual mindset that what should I do about this. So I mean, you know, this is soulmate relationship, and I must tell you, okay, not every time I say this is soulmate relationship, okay, but yeah, this is something actually a soulmate relationship. This is divine relationship. This is God gifted relationship, okay. I know, I understand, even if you are not talking, you are not asking about your anything, partner or anything. I mean, whatever situation you may at this very level in your relationship, but now it is coming to you. Okay, don't be in confused state of mind. This is God gifted. You have been manifesting this since a long time, and now God is giving you, and you are just turning back towards them. So let's see their energy. This is the reason, might be they feel stuck. Okay, I'll just show you their cards. It is King of Wands, Six of Swords, and eight of Swords. See, if you see this, they have been in their full power. Okay, they have been offering you love, everything. They wanted you to take you towards calm water. Okay, but I feel that due to your response, or due to your anxiety, or due to your dual mindset, or due to your confused state of mind, they have also gone into this eight of swords of energy, wherein they feel stuck. Okay, so I don't know, I mean, I simply don't know why are you responding. I don't clarify these things, otherwise I would have told you that what's happening. I don't know. I think I should start with that, or I should change the format. Let's see how I do with this. But see, they are there to give you love. Okay, they are in their full power. They are giving you, they are offering you love. They are strong enough to take you towards calmer water. I mean, whatever is happening in your life, or your both life, okay, yours and theirs, they are able to take charge of that thing, that situation. Okay, and they will take you out from this. You just have to trust them. Okay, it is like that they have come to you. You have been asking. Now they have come to you, and now you are saying, oh no, it's been either late, or now I'm not ready, or oh something, or my parents are not allowing me to do this, or my situation is not allowing me to accept you, or something like that. Then they also started feeling, no, probably this is not my way, or this is not how I should have dealt with the situation. So don't do that. Let's see how the mutual energy comes, and we will see talk about it more. See, I must tell you right now. Okay, right now, whatever is happening in your life. Okay, right now, whatever is happening in your life, this is something destined for you. Okay, this is something supposed to happen. This is something was a part of your journey, was a part of your life journey. It is better you accept it. Okay, it is better, howsoever things are opening, or howsoever things are turning, or whatever the situation is opening up, you should be able to accept these things. Because if you don't, okay, if you don't, anyway that is supposed to happen. It is better that you should accept the things. I'll just show you the card. See, okay, the High Priestess, Page of Cups, and Strength. See, uh, either they have come up with an offer, okay, when they have approached you, or they have come up with an apology, or they have just come up with something to do with, at least bare minimum, something that should level up your relationship. Okay, it can be apology, it can be offer, it can be proposal, or anything, just a smallest gesture also, something. But and you are being so emotional about the whole issue. Okay, you are being so emotional about the whole situation, whatever has happened in the past, or the overall situation. I must tell you the overall situation. See, through your gut feeling, you know that he is the one for you. You know that this is going to happen. You know, if you react in xyz way, what will be the consequences. You know these things. Still you are not able to accept it. Okay, I trust me, still I feel this energy should get cleared off till Thursday. Okay, today we are talking about, I mean, from Monday to Sunday. Okay, so till Thursday this energy will get cleared up. Okay, you will recognize your strength, your relationship strength, their strength. Okay, the potential of the relationship. Okay, and this dynamics about the relationship will again change, for obviously for betterment. Okay, the dynamics of the relationship will again change. So yeah, make these changes. Okay, these are very beautiful cards. These certain things are destined, I feel. Okay, I personally feel. If you feel, I mean, if this is the message for you, then yes, I'm talking to you that this is a destined relationship for you. Okay, whatever you may call it as: marriage, commitment, live-in relationship, long distance relationship, partnership, whatever it may call it as. Okay, but this is something God gifted. You were supposed to meet. Okay, you are soulmates. Okay, and yeah, you should accept it open heartedly, because this is, you have been manifesting since a long time. Don't run away. Okay, don't run away when they are coming back to you. Okay, now let's see what is there for you store in general. Okay, maybe your finances, maybe your career, job, family, friends. After a long time I'm using my old deck, and lot many memories have associated with this deck, so I'm happy today. Okay, so for your general energy, there are three things I'm telling you. Okay, may not related to love. Okay, first of all, listen to me very carefully. First of all, remove all the doubts. I'm not talking about only love. Okay, remove all the doubts, remove negativity, remove ifs and buts. Okay, whatever threatens your energy. Okay, get rid of that. Maybe person, maybe situation, location, anything and everything. Just get rid of all these things. Second thing, you alone are enough. You don't need all the time your friends to support you. You don't need all the time your somebody to support you, that yeah, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. No, you don't need that push all the time. Okay, you are enough. You are alone enough. Just go ahead, just take the stand. Okay, and go ahead. Third thing, make the partnership or the foundation very strong. If at all you are new to job, career, I mean business. Okay, make the foundation very strong. If at all you have decided to pay off the debts, or you have decided that I should achieve financial stability and freedom. Okay, So just go ahead with this. Okay, you can do it. Have that trust, have that faith inside you. I'll just show you the card. Three of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and the King of Swords. Take action. These cards are screaming, okay, make the foundation strong, take the action, okay, that is very much needed. So yeah, in your general energy, take the stand, take the action. You are enough. You don't need always somebody to support you, my dear friend. Okay, you don't need always. Sometimes it is okay. And yeah, make the foundation strong. Okay, make first yourself strong, then maybe other people will join you in your career, whatever endeavors you are doing. Okay, other people will join you, but first you have to be strong whatever action you are taking. And yeah, that's it from my side. I hope you have decided one question in mind. If not, please pause the video till the time I'll shuffle the cards. Let's see what dear angels are telling us. Do I need to read it? Okay, there is something better. Okay, there is something better in store for you. What you need to do is go ahead in life. Okay, because whatever, okay, this is general energy, this is general guidance. Okay, whatever question you have asked, okay, if suppose you are supposed to take any action, take, because something good will happen to you. Okay, something better right now, whatever situation you are at. Okay, more than that, something better is in store for you. So yeah, that's it from my side. These are general guidances. Okay, take it how it resonates, leave the rest. Okay, I may start with something else, not so soon. Yeah, okay, because I'm starting my journey. Okay, next step in my spiritual journey, officially something. I'll announce it during this week. Okay, or maybe next time whenever we'll meet. And yeah, if at all it is resonating with you, like I always say, please subscribe my channel, like it, share it with others, and do let me know how you feel about it. May God bless you, may my higher self bless you, and stay blessed always. Take care.